Hey, it's Deanne here. How are you? I just got back from my morning walk and I want to show you how I make my favorite breakfast, my morning smoothie. If anybody knows me, you know that I pretty much drink a smoothie every single day, but I absolutely love it because I can pack it with nutrients and I can make it taste different every day. So I'm starting with my carafe or my Vitamix, and you always want to start with a liquid base. So I use water. I use my filtered water or distilled water, but you can use coconut water, you can use almond milk, coconut milk, you can use a mixture of water and aloe vera juice, even green tea. So there's lots of options. So the water goes in. I always add some vitamin C, especially around this time of year. So I'm putting in a couple of scoops of my vitamin C powder. And I also use a specific supplement for my gut lining, so I always add that in because that's a powder form. Then I want to use some kind of healthy fat. Today I'm going to use some avocado. This is great. You can use a regular avocado, or you can actually purchase these frozen avocado. This is from Costco. So I'll put in that, and that's going to be my healthy fat. You also could use something like coconut oil, flax seeds, chia seeds, something like that. And then I'm going to use, a lot of times people use greens, so spinach, kale, arugula. I'm actually going to use riced cauliflower today. That just shows you that you can use whatever you have in the freezer or the refrigerator. So it could be broccoli, it could be cauliflower. I love to put cucumbers or carrots in there. So whatever you have. And then here are my berries for lots and lots of antioxidants. I also love to use spirulina. It gives it a beautiful color. It's an antioxidant that's also very anti-inflammatory. And of course my protein. So today I'm going to use two different proteins. I'm going to use a collagen protein. So 1 scoop of that. And I'm going to use this Orgain Simple. Then we are pretty much ready, and I always love to put a little bit of cinnamon in. This really helps with blood sugar. It's also antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. So a couple little bits of cinnamon, and we are ready. So I am going to mix this all together, and then we can see how beautiful it looks. I'll be right back. And here we go. Here it is. This one's nice and thick today. You can always add more liquid if you like. Cheers. Have a wonderful day.